Nothing personal. It's just business. And I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. Never hate your enemies. It affects your judgment. You have to be like a lion and a fox. The fox is smart enough to recognize traps, and the lion is strong enough to scare away the wolves. Be like a lion and a fox, and no one will ever beat you. Keep your friends close, but your enemies closer. Revenge is a dish best served cold. A man makes his own way. No one gives it to you. You have to take it. When you decide to be something, you can be it. I never lie to any man because I don't fear anyone. The only time you lie is when you are afraid. It takes many stepping stones, you know, for a man to rise. None can do it unaided. Some days I make 20 bets. Some days I make none. There are weeks, sometimes months, in fact, when I don't make a bet at all. Because there simply is no play. So I wait, plan, marshal my resources. And when I finally see an opportunity, there is a bet to make. A man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. A friend should always underestimate your virtues, and an enemy overestimate your faults. Somebody messes with me, I'm gonna mess with him. Take your shot, but make it your best. Cause I get up, I eat you. The loudest one in the room is the weakest one in the room. Be careful who you call your friends. I'd rather have 4 quarters than 100 pennies. Your enemies always get strong on what you leave behind. The strength of a family, like the strength of an army, lies in its loyalty to each other. A guy told me one time, don't let yourself get attached to anything you are not willing to walk out on in 30 seconds flat if you feel the heat around the corner. If you want me to keep my mouth shut, it's gonna cost you some dough. I figured $1,000 is reasonable, so I want 2. You need more than guts to be a good gangster. You need ideas. You can always tell the winners at the starting gate. You can always tell the winners, and you can tell the losers. If a man is dumb, someone is going to get the best of him. So why not you? If you don't, you're as dumb as he is. I don't want to be a product of my environment. I want my environment to be a product of me. I'm not mad. I'm proud of you. You took your first pinch like a man, and you learned the 2 greatest things in life. You never rat on your friends, and always keep your mouth shut. Listen to me very carefully. There are 3 ways of doing things around here. The right way, the wrong way, and the way that I do it. You understand?